Welcome back. In this lecture we will animate the procedural textures of our logo object. Before we get started with animating the logo shader, I first wanted to adjust the location on frame 400 of our empty, since the central blue sphere is too much in the camera. I think it would look better if the blue light in the center of the logo approaches from the bottom left. So in orthographic front view we can move the empty a bit more to the bottom left as shown and update the keyframe on frame 400. So let's check if this looks better. I think it looks better this way. So now we can go and start animating the logo shader. After making the node editor window bigger, we can select our logo. So basically, we are gonna make this green stuff on the logo move. Let's open a timeline window and decrease our border render size. We can also decrease our viewport render samples so that we can see it move in real time better. Now to make the procedural texture move, we only need to animate the location Y value on our mapping node. So we can put our active frame on 1 and make a keyframe with the I key, while hovering your cursor over the location values of the mapping node. On frame 1000 we can keyframe a location Y value of -5. With our mapping node selected, we can go to the graph editor and press numpad period to center the view to the keyframes. With all the keyframes selected, we can press T and choose the linear interpolation method. After viewing the preview, we see that the texture moves way too slow. We can correct this by keyframing the location Y value of -20 to frame 1000 again. I think this speed of change of the texture seems to fit better. One thing we can also do is to increase the intensity of the orange glow at around 700 frame mark. We can keyframe the current value of 10 to frame 700. Then at frame 600 we can keyframe it at 5. So now we finish the animation of the procedural texture of our logo. After saving the file, you can always experiment with the nodes to get different effects for our logo. In the next lecture, we are going to animate the two blue spheres. Thanks for watching.